Welcome to another episode on Texas Dream Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent, and today we are looking at another Bloomfield home. This is the Hawthorne model. This is a one-story, or it could be a two-story. The model that we're looking at is the Hawthorne. This is actually the Hawthorne 2. So it's a two-story home, 4-bed, 3-bath, and it is sitting at about 2,700 square feet. So as soon as we walk in, that room into the left was the office, but unfortunately the salesperson was working there, so I didn't want to film. So you have the office, then the washer and dryer room, and now that we are in the kitchen here, there's a ton of counter space, which is really nice. You have that little dining room here, and then you walk over into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is humongous, an amazing closet space as well that you guys will see. So this community is located in McKinney. It is the Willow neighborhood. It is a 360-acre master plan community with a ton of parks, a ton of stuff to do. You have a community center, resort-style pool, the whole 9 yards. This neighborhood is beautiful. It's located close to 75 and 380, so you do have access to pretty much the entire North Texas area. You can get in and out of the city fairly easy. Now, this home in particular is starting at around $620,000. However, keep in mind, right now, it is one of the best times to go ahead and buy new construction. A lot of them are offering some amazing deals. So if you're looking to get your hands on some amazing discounts, now is the time to get new construction. So right down the hall, you walk into the bathroom, and it is a full bath with a Jack and Jill sink. I love the tile that they used up there. That of course would be an upgrade, and the floor as well. I really love the type of flooring they used. So this is another bedroom, decently sized as well. This would be the other bedroom. Right now they're kind of using it as a design center. You have a little nook right there if you have kiddos that are going to do homework or something, or a little study area. That's really nice, a good use of space. And this is the upstairs, so you can kind of think of it as a 1.5 story. It's not super big. It's really just going to be kind of like a loft up here. So you're going to have a little living room and a bathroom and bedroom as well. So perhaps if you have parents staying with you, or maybe an older child wants their own area, this would be a great option for them, so they can kind of feel like they're living on their own, but they're still within your roof. If you guys are interested in taking a look at this property or any other in the neighborhood, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm just one notification away from helping you find your future home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment and subscribe, and I will see you at the closing table.